So some people have been chatting me up lately that they need a job that can pay them to chat and discuss with people here and there. So the truth is there are some sites that will pay you to offer listening ear, either do a video call or send messages or respond to lonely people online. And there are a lot of them, which I'll be talking about one major one on this video. Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So as you know, I love using my phone to record videos. If you are new to this channel, please do what to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. So what I will just be doing is heading straight to my Chrome browser, and I will type in rent a cyber friend. Rent a cyber friend. Please, if you have not joined our Telegram channel, please do well to join our Telegram channel, because it is a community where you have the opportunity to chat with me. The link will be in the description or on a community post. So guys, this is what cyber friend will look like. Rent a cyber friend. Rent a cyber friend is spelled as IENT, rent, then A, then cyber, CYBER, then friend, FRIEND. So it will be the first link. It will be the first link when you click on rent a cyber friend. So this is what you can see. As you can see, someone here is making a video call. We have a picture of someone making a video call. Basically, what they do on this website is they allow you create connections with their clients, you understand, and you get paid. Now their payment is per minute. They pay you per minute that you spend on their website. If you're doing a video call and you're going to be spending like 1 hour, it means that you'll be paid every 1 minute of that 1 hour. Although they have their own service charge as well, I think 10 or 20% of whatever amount you're making on the website, and then you get paid. So now what happened is, get the most out of rent a cyber friend. You can make deep connections that has never been easier before. Now I'm doing this video because a lot of people have been asking me, okay, we need more video on how we can make money on probably sites that will pay you to chat, and that's why I'm bringing up this. Although if you think that you probably this income might not be passive, but you can make money on it. But if you're looking to go into an income that is passive, I have an ebook. I have a course that I recommend. I didn't write that course, but that course has helped me on my online journey to make it passive income online. You understand? So I would be leaving the link to that course in my Telegram group, where you can as well have access to me to ask me a few questions on that course, because I have used it before and it has worked well. So it says video calls. So you can make money with video calls. Make it real. Connect with great quality videos calls instantly. Search based on your interests. It means on this platform, people or clients will be searching based on their interests, whether they are looking for a female friend or a male friend. All you just have to do is upload a clean picture of you as a profile, a nice beautiful one at that. Keep an eye on your favorite cyber friends and connect with them when they are online. Now on this cyber friend website, you don't have to be it doesn't have to be the male and the female kind of friend. You can also be both females, you understand. A female can rent a female friend. Probably she's lonely and she needs someone to gist and chat with. An old man can rent a friend of an old man. An old woman can rent a friend who is an old woman as well. So it says it's private. Your conversations are secure with end-to-end encryption. You understand? You can have private discussions. There are some people that are having serious problems and they can't go out and discuss it outside, but this is a safe platform for them to discuss. Connect for as low as $0.1 per minute. Every first minute is for free. It means that you get paid every minute, fast and secure. Cyber friends for real people. Connect with those with similar interests. Also, you can come up here and rent someone with an interest as your own kind of interest. Probably you can come here and rent someone who is also interested in business if you're interested in business. But here we'll be working as friends that they want to rent. Do you understand me? We are the friends that they want to rent. So please study the kind of people that you can that the kind of clients that come up here while you're inputting your details. You understand? Become a cyber friend. Just click on become a cyber friend. So it says, welcome cyber friends. Are you passionate about anything? Looking for ways to earn money on the side? Then Rent a Cyber Friend is for you. Receive video calls from callers who want you to engage them on what matters to you both. You understand? So they will connect you with people that you have the same interest with. You understand? Said earn from anywhere in the world. For those people that will ask that, is this for everybody? As you can see, it says you can earn from anywhere in the world. It means it is for everybody. Get started, sign up, update your profile, and wait for approval. Now, once you sign up and you have updated your profile, you have to wait for their approval. Please, while signing up, make sure that your informations are quite order and organized. You understand? Your interest, add your interest using different hashtags and pay rate. Callers find you based on your interest. Please don't add high call rate too. Like, you'll be the one to add your pay rate, but then again, please just browse about it and add a minimum pay rate, and then browse about the interest that you probably know. Maybe if you're the business type, or you're the type that is into relationship, or you're heartbroken or something like that, just basically put your interest there. Maybe you need a relationship, or you need a friendship, or something like that. Just earn money. Be online to accept call requests and start earning money. You have to be online. You understand? You can add this website to your home screen, and how you can do it is by clicking on this red button. I made a video about how you can change this website to your Chrome website to desktop site. But then again, let's just use this as an example. So you have a lot of options here. Once you click on that red dot, I'm trying to make this video as short as I can. So you have to click on add to home screen. You can add to home screen, or you can desktop site. That is for another day, but you can add to home screen. Once you add to home screen, you will be able to access it and see it on the screen of your phone without even logging in into the website. Do you understand? Grow, you share on social media to attract more clients and followers. Now, one of the this thing on this website is clients will find you, but then again, if you have a larger friends or larger friend base, or you are in a group of maybe thousands of people, or probably US based individuals, you can post your link there for people that might want to, have a friend or something like that. Cyber friend requirements. Now, these are the requirements. It's an opportunity for everyone. It means it is not based on a location or an area. No degree or certificate needed. You don't need any degree, you don't need any certificate. It is free. You must have a good internet connection and a camera. Now, it basically means that your internet connection must be good. You can have a phone that we Nigerians got payment pada one roaming, that kind of phone, and you expect to make money on this website. You understand? Now, for some of us that have a system that the camera isn't that good, I would advise that you use this particular app on your phone, or this particular website on your phone. At least your phone camera might be quite better. Be passionate about what you do. You need to be passionate about how to talk to people, how to relate with people. You understand? Now, if you don't smile often, if you're signing up on this website, you need to start smiling. You get, and you need to, if you're the type that leaves your hair, you need to, pack your hair, look good. You understand? Someone that wants to discuss with you, if the person probably calls you on a video call and the person is seeing you looking tattered or not well arranged, the person will be like, is this kind of person I want to share something with? Not really. So you have to also be 18 years and above. You have to be 18 years above. Have a good smile and be friendly. Like I said before, I haven't even gotten here, but I know that you must just have a good smile, like know how to smile well, and you have to be friendly. So that is basically almost everything. It says make deep connections with callers and get paid. People will call you on video calls. You understand? Just like your normal WhatsApp regular calls. Now it says instant video calls, private and secure, must have a good internet connection. Payment is back, mainly to 20% platform fee. Withdrawals to your bank account. Now you can withdraw your money using Payoneer. Yes, but once you sign up, you need to wait for them to review it and approve it. That's why I said you have to be order while signing up. You input your first name, your last name, your email, you create your password, you confirm your password, and you click on this yes, I would like to sign up for the weekly newsletter, which is optional. And click on I accept the terms and condition and you hit the sign up button. Well, that's basically how you need to sign up on this website, and you wait for their approval. Once they approve you, you begin to get orders and calls and video calls depending on your interest on the website. So guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do it. Subscribe for a returning subscriber. Thank you, we love you. You can also do to leave in the comment section a love emoji or a like emoji. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.